Welcome to Naipunya Vikasam Schoolnet India Limited. This is J. Mrudula from East Godavari district. Today I am going to teach for the class 7 and our topic is English structures used often. Let us read the matter. Some English communication structures are rarely found in course books because they are quite unusual in English. Some English grammar structures are used much less commonly than others. So, in this matter, let me explain about the structure and communication. A structure is something of many parts that is put together. A structure can be outhouse, your body, or a sentence. Communication. A communication consisting of both information and structure. Here communication is based upon conversation, and the conversation may be in the different ways, whether it is a direct or a indirect. So let us consider these examples. Let us consider these examples. Air quality is poor in large cities. There are so many motor vehicles. This is a slight informal variety of the familiar so or such that combination used to express a consequence. With that combination, the sentence could be there are so many motor vehicles in large cities that air quality is poor. So in this sentence will comes under informal communication structure, and here that is used to refer to something that has already been spoken or written. See the second one. Stars are such a distance away that they cannot be reached in a spaceship. Rewritten in the less usual way, this becomes stars cannot be reached in spaceship. They are such a distance away. So this sentence will comes under formular communication sentence, and it could be a written process. List of familiar communication structures. So before we discuss about the examples, let me explain about the word familiar. Familiar means something that is commonly or generally known or seen. So let us discuss with good examples. First one, but for. An example sentence is, but for the river, the enemy could have captured the town. The underlined words means if the river had not been there, but for thus means if had not existed, and hence corresponds to a condition with F. So here in this, but for is used to introduce the reason why something did not happen. If the river had not been there, the enemy could have not captured the town. Next example. Just because does not mean. Example sentence. Just because prices are high does not mean that sales will fall. This structure is used for turning an expected consequence and is thus different from the normal use of because. So here generally when we want to explain a particular reason, we start with the word because. So because is useful to explain a reason to some situation. But here in this sentence, it was totally different. That means there is no logical connection between two things. So we cannot say that nowadays the prices are high also, we cannot say that sales will be fallen. So next one, there to be. Example sentence. The government want there to be more taxes. Tax rises will cause us there to be more poverty. So here in this structure it might be true or false. So they want to solve the problem in a simple solution. It is necessary to accept the situation as it demands. Next one. Be it or be there or. Example sentence. Be it summer or winter, top athletes have to train. The first underlined words here are relevant to whether it is and hence carry the meaning of makes no difference. So in general, be it is used for the singular, whereas be there is used for the plural. But here the first underlined word says whether it is and it gives the meaning there was a no difference. So here in this situation, whether the two situations occurs also, we should accept the challenge. Be they sweet or sour, apples make a delicious dessert. Next one. It is painful seeing or else to see so much suffering. What is also unusual as a result of the indirect question form is that it does not correspond exactly to the words after importing. You have to understand the question of before them. It is this that is being called important rather than the company that lands the contract. So, in this example, the word painful saying may be connected in some to the critical conditions in some situations, but here it was an indirect question form. So we should understand the questions which seems to call it is an important. That is the company that lands the contract. Instead of it is important, you can also say it matter or it makes a difference. Important by itself can also be replaced by various other adjectives. For example, vital, essential, crucial, interesting, tricky, unresolved, unknown, and perhaps urgent. Example sentences are: it is tricky, where to go next. It is unknown who will be elected. So thus we discuss about different familiar communication structures in different examples. Conclusion. So in our topic we discuss about the structures and how it is connected to communication in our English language. Communication structures may be in both general language or grammatical sentence of both formal and informal, that is maybe in spoken or written. It helps to express a consequence by combining a sentence of both common conversation and general conversation of language. In familiar communication structure, the words may be commonly or generally known or seen. Let's continue. The communication may be an imagination and it is totally different from the grammar. It depends upon the structures used by consequency. It may be expected, simple solution, neither positive or negative, challenge accepted in general way of thinking or talk, may be in indirect question, imagination and with different various structures of the communication. So thus we completed our topic. I hope you all understand the topic. Assignment regarding our topic. A special thank to the district coordinators, state coordinators and our DC sir. Thanks for giving this nice opportunity for me.